In this video, I'll show you how to add an HTTP request node in N8N. First, log into your N8N account and open an existing workflow or create a new one. Next, click the plus button to add a new node and search for HTTP request. Now, select the HTTP request node from the results. After that, choose the request method you need, such as GET, POST, PUT, PATCH, or DELETE. Next, enter the API endpoint or URL you want N8N to connect to. Now, configure authentication if the API requires it, such as an API key, basic authentication, or another supported method. After that, add any required query parameters, headers, or request body data. Make sure each field matches the requirements of the API you're connecting to. Next, click Execute step to test the request and review the response from the server. If the response looks correct, connect the HTTP request node to the other nodes in your workflow. Finally, save the workflow and activate it when you're ready to run the request automatically. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add an HTTP request node in N8N. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.